Hello and Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja's Bagan Bari UK. I am your host Aqib Ullah.
And I am Ali Raja. Assalamualikum.
In today's video we have a very hot topic. Many of you have been asking when and how we grow our Naga Morich.
Now in this video we'll be showing you how and when we grow our Naga Morich from seeds. So we will show you from A to Z. So please watch the video till the end because it's going to get very exciting.
Without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, first thing, we need good seeds. Over the years we have been collecting our own Naga Morich seeds. So it's important that you have good seeds. So firstly, get a bowl with some water and get a packet of aspirin from your local chemist. And we're going to be adding about half aspirin, which is about 150 ml. So this is about 300 ml. I'm going to take this out, break it in half, so it's about 150 ml, and dissolve that into this water.
Wait, Dad, why are we putting aspirin in our Naga seeds? I thought it was only for medical health and headaches.
Aspirin, research has shown aspirin works wonderful in plants. It helps plant growth faster, especially when you're germinating chili seeds. It also boosts the immune system of the plant.
Okay.
And helps protect from fungus diseases.
Okay.
And during the harvesting season, your research has shown that it produces more.
Oh, that's good.
So we're using half aspirin into dissolving into this water.
You can see it dissolve.
Yes. So as it dissolves, and then we're going to add few seeds into water and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
The seed has been soaked into the water for about 15 to 20 minutes now. It's time to rinse the seed out from the water. There should be okay, so we can take a razor and okay, put this down. Put this down. So now that we've raised the seeds from the water, I'll leave that to one side.
And we need a small pot.
And we need a small pot. Compost in there.
Compost.
So the compost we'll be using John Inn's special compost for seeds.
Compost for seeds.
I'm going to add some compost.
Compost
Inside. Okay. Compost inside. And I'm going to water it first and then flatten the compost down.
With another small pot.
So I'm going to
water it.
Just a little bit of water. Now take another pot and flatten the soil with water so it flattens out. Now put about 4 seeds in there. About one inches apart.
Okay.
So I'll put one here.
There.
We're going to put about 2 millimeters of soil on the top. Just a 2 millimeter, not too much. Otherwise, if the seed is too below, it's difficult for them to come out. So flatten it a little bit more with this.
With another soil.
We take a plastic packet and we cover that. So I use a clear one so I can see as the shoot shoots up. So you cover it. And you can put that onto a windowsill or inside a boiler room. We tend to put them in a boiler room. Normally it takes chili seeds for germinate. It takes about 7 to 20 days.
Okay.
Between 7 to 20 days. So usually ours germinate by 10 days.
10 days.
Now if you find your seeds are not germinating by 20 days, you have to sow them again because they're not working. Okay, so you should be able to get it by 7 to 20 days. The temperature has to be about 21 degrees inside the property. So you can leave it on the windowsill or in a boiler room. For us, it works good in a boiler room. We have a big boiler room, so we put it in a boiler room like have the chili plants start shooting out. When they reach about 2 to 3 inches, then we put them into individual containers. A container this size. So put them in an individual container. Now I tend to, when I actually use a bit of fish, bone and blood. It helps the plant, the root gets stronger. So it makes the root stronger using fish, bone and blood. And then when they reach about, when they get to a size of 8 to 9 inches tall, about 10 inches tall, then I put them into a bigger container. Now remember, the bigger the container, your chili plant is going to get bigger in size and taller. So make sure you water them well. Make sure you keep them moist.
I made a dedicated video on how to use aspirin for plant growth. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the video link in the description down below, so please check that out.
We tend to spray aspirin water onto the plant about 3 times a year during the planting season, and it worked wonders for us on the last season. We had so many Naga Morich, didn't we? Yes, so it worked really good for us. Give it a try and see if that works for you. So please watch that video. I hope this video was interesting. So now that we are all informed, we know when and how to grow Naga Morich from seeds. So from February onward, we sow our seeds. By April, the plants are about 7 or 8, 10 inches taller. We change them into bigger pots and we actually climatize them. We bring them outside. Sometime night time when it gets cold, we take them back inside again until May onward. Then we sort of keep them out all the time. Make sure you plant. Make sure you water them well, especially when you're growing them in a container, and feed them well. We tend to use, like you said, we use fish, bone and blood when we at the beginning when we change from a small container into a bigger container. It helps the growth, the root growth stronger. Aspirin 3 times. We spray aspirin water 3 times, and then we also use Miracle Grow sometime, or sometime we use Tomorite, which is a Tomorite once a week. So feed them once a week during the planting season, and inshallah you'll have lots of Naga Morich this year. Now the technique that we've shown you, this is the technique that we use.
There's other different techniques.
There are many different techniques. You could do the same thing 10 different ways. Let me know what works for you. If you have a better technique, please share it with us. Let us know on the comment section below. We will be interested to find your experience. YouTube is all about learning from one another. I think it's a great platform, isn't it? I've learned from YouTube, from other YouTubers, and we do follow other YouTubers. So there's a very interesting YouTuber. She makes personal blog. Her name is
Bangladeshi Mum UK.
Bangladeshi Mum UK.
I mean, all enjoy her interesting cooking videos and all her videos in person.
So why not go give her a visit? You probably know her already, but if you don't know her, we're going to leave her channel link in the description down below. Give her a visit and check her out. And if you do visit her, why not leave her a comment on the comment section, letting her know that you have heard her name in Ali Raja Bagan Bari UK. So now,
and that will make me really happy.
We do make we post a video every week, every Sunday. We have been posting every week, and we want to continue doing that. Let us know whether you enjoy watching our videos. We do actually read all the comments, don't we?
Yeah, and we always reply back.
You know, all of you have been so supportive, and we really appreciate that.
Thank you all the people watching my videos. You guys are so supportive. Thanks for the lovely comments. Keep it up, please, because it motivates me to make my next video. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, because I post every Sunday. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notifications for more future videos. See ya.